everybody, just a short instructional video on 3.04 Reporter's Reflection. So you just did human sources, so now you're doing non-human sources. So remember you had one before in your proposal, so now you need to have four. So what you're going to do is you're going to find four possible non-human sources and information that you're going to possibly need to write that, not journal, sorry, to write that article that you're going to be doing in 4.05, right? So you don't have to yet say, I'm going to definitely use these. These are just kind of you rough drafting and brainstorming. So what you're going to do is you're going to have one sentence basically just reminding me of your story idea and a short paragraph describing places you looked for appropriate sources, and then a list of four possible non-human sources. So remember, non-human sources are websites, charts, graphs, data, could be previous articles already written, could be a book, could be a newspaper, just can't be like you actually speaking to another human, right? Because it's non-human sources. So if there are links, which there should be, to those possible non-human sources, you're going to list those along with whatever you chose. So in your proposal, you needed one. I said two possibly. So if you picked two already, that's fantastic. You can just add two more. If you have one, then you need to add three more, and you're going to list them here. All right. So it's a pretty simple assignment. If you have any questions, please let me know. Again, remember this assignment has to be completed before you can do that 4.05 assignment. So this is one of those stepping stones to get to 4.05. So again, if you have questions, please let me know.